Welcome to Cavco Home Center here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're located at 9950 Central Southeast, and we carry three different brands of homes. We carry the Cavco homes, we carry the Fleetwood homes, and the Palm Harbor homes. We're currently standing in a Santa Fe model, which is the only Santa Fe style model built in a factory. And if you look around at this model, it has solid surface counters. It has magnificent appliances that come with it, stainless steel. It also comes with a microwave over the stove. Real wood cabinets, these are not fake, folks. This is what you're gonna see in a site-built model. It has pot and pan drawers. It is one of the top of the line products that we carry. Also, I want you to give us a call if you have any questions about this model. It's 292-3495. We are the #1 dealer in New Mexico. I want to introduce you to my top sales manager and salesman. His name is Ramsey, and he's going to show you the living area.
Thank you, Eddie. On top of what Eddie said, this house has 9-foot flat ceiling. We also feature a lot of options in this house, such as element flooring. This flooring is very durable, and we can put it in any of the floor plans you choose. We also have an 8-foot sliding glass door right here that you can put in a dining room or even in a living room if you like. We also have a fireplace, electric fireplace. Could be a gas fireplace or wood burning fireplace, your choice. We have arches in the Santa Fe floor plans that goes through the bedrooms. The bedrooms are very spacious, as you see. We also have 80 inches windows in the bedrooms and the living rooms and throughout the whole house. And if you see our closets, we have the wood rods in our closets, and they all finish with tape and texture. Also, you go through the house again. I can't keep telling you about all the details. This video is not enough, but if you look at the doors, we have beautiful interior doors. We have beautiful sinks and multiple sinks to choose from. Our houses also feature medicine cabinets in each bathroom. Also, we have a full tub shower that's fiberglass one piece. Also, you could choose ceramic tile full shower in any of the houses you also pick. Oh, please come and see us at 9950 Central Avenue Southeast, and ask for anybody at the sales center to help you find your dream home.
Thank you
Thank you,
again.
guys.
We appreciate it.